Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Realme 12 5G, there's few methods. The first one, first of all, you can for sure use this USB-C cable with the USB end, but also we can use the double USB-C cable, and you can actually charge this smartphone by using USB cable, and you can plug this cable straight into your phone, and this second end you can plug, for example, into the PC, into the game console, or for example into the power bank. The next method is to use the charging brick, like this one for example. And right here we've got the information that you should actually use charging brick from 2.5 watts to 45. And then you can just simply connect this into the charging brick like this. And this end you can plug into the electricity. Also, you can use power bank to recharge this smartphone. And if you wonder about the wireless charging, unfortunately this smartphone doesn't support wireless or inductive chargers. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.